How to use Glow. Enable the auto-update feature for live previews as you make adjustments. This helps you achieve the desired effect effortlessly. Start by choosing the color of your glow effect. Next, adjust the threshold. Lower values make the effect more visible, while higher values create a subtler glow. Control the softness of the effect by adjusting the blur slider. Increase it for a smoother, more diffused glow. Once you're satisfied with the glow effect, save your settings in the preset manager. You can easily reuse them for future projects. How to use glare. The easiest way to start is by using the auto update feature. This gives you a live preview and helps you get a feel for the effect. Choose the color you want for the glare effect. You can always change this later if needed. Move the threshold slider to define the areas where the glare effect will apply. This helps you target the perfect spots. If you don't see the glare, try adjusting its minimum and maximum size. The range between them is automatically calculated. If you're not satisfied, you can easily tweak the color or any of these settings to get the perfect result. Once you're happy with the result, save your settings using the preset manager. This lets you reuse your custom glare effects anytime.